to dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today I have a grocery haul for you guys. We are a family of 5. I have 3 kids and myself and my husband, and I do groceries weekly. That just works best for us. It's just how we do it. I order online and pick up at the store at Walmart. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy, get some ideas of things that maybe you can buy and try and enjoy. Okay guys, so here's an overview of the haul. I separated in no particular order. Y'all thought I was gonna say I separated it in a, no, you don't know me. Anyways, let's get right to it, guys. Okay, so I got cuties. We get these for school lunches. I feel like when I put a fruit in my kids' lunch, it's all becomes healthy all of a sudden, right? So that's just my mom brain, and they're happy, I'm happy. Who cares, right? I got 1 lonely green pepper. Guys, I've been loving pico de gallo for my salads. So I'm already skipping around. I buy these packs of salad. They're already washed and ready to eat. So you just pour it into your bowl. I put some either shredded cheese and then some pico and then a little bit of Olive Garden seasoning or dressing, and I'm good to go. So I'm loving that lately. All right, let's go back over here. Just regular 2% milk. I do not buy a lot of juice in my house because if I buy more, they will drink more. And they know I buy, I literally bought 1 of each. Normally I'll buy 2 of this and 1 of these, but I don't know, we already have 1 of these, so we get the mango punch. Everybody really enjoys that, but once they drink them, that's it. There's nothing else till next week that I do groceries, and y'all just better drink water and milk. So that really restrains them from drinking it all in one sitting. I got vinegar. Vinegar is good to mop, clean your produce, clean your meat. I mean, anything and everything you can use vinegar. So I love to have a bunch of vinegar in my pantry. I get distilled water because I rinse out my nose every morning. And then I got regular drinking water because my mom is coming with my baby brother. So she asked for water with fluoride, and I was like, okay, I don't know if that's what she meant, but I had to ask her. I just bought regular water. Maybe that has fluoride. I thought all water had fluoride. I don't know, guys. Anyways, I bought that. I bought this soap to put in her bathroom when she comes. That's mine and my husband's drug of choice. We love a good Coke with our dinner. I rarely buy it, but lately I have been buying it because my husband just really enjoys it. Like, you know, that little fizz. So I buy that for him mostly. If I'm having a salad, I'll drink that because the bubbles make me feel full. It's a fake full, but it's fine. Anyways, then I got Kool-Aids for the boys' lunches. I got Gatorades. I always buy these if it's my turn to bring snacks for soccer or for basketball. But this time I bought it for the beach. So I'm going to put that in a cooler when we go to the beach this weekend for spring break. And then we got some Frosted Flakes. My son is loving Frosted Flakes. He doesn't even put milk in it, guys. He just straight up snacks on it. Like, he's weird. They're loving these fruit snacks. I put this in their lunch. It's just a little, you know, a little pouch, and it's sour, so they feel like they're eating candy, which I'm pretty sure it's the same thing as candy. Even though it says it's real fruit. They're really good, though. I mean, I don't like them, but my kids and my husband really like them. Anyways, I don't buy too much meat because I always buy them a bunch of meat at one time, and then, you know, if I need a refill during the week, I do. So
I bought this chuck roast. I love Mississippi roast, which is how I make it, and I'm gonna make it for my mom when she comes. And then that's some skirt steak. So I like to make like tacos with that. So got that for dinner. I showed you guys lettuce. I use mozzarella to make Alfredo sauce. So I bought one of those. This is our favorite cheese. We use this cheese for everything, sandwiches, spaghetti, anything that requires cheese. This is the kind that we use. We don't buy sliced cheese. OMG guys, this hummus is life, okay? It's so delicious. It's spicy. We love it. My kids love it. I love it. And it's pretty healthy. This is so good, this naan bread. Life-changing. I put it in the microwave for like 15-20 seconds, and then I sit down with my kids and we rip it apart and eat it with the hummus. So good. And then, oh my gosh guys, these things are so good. Okay, so it comes all, so it has the ham, the cheese, and the, wait, I think this is potatoes. Yes. Oh, it says it right there. It has applewood smoked ham, mild cheddar, cheese, potatoes, green peppers, and onions. So all these ingredients are in little separated packages. And then you just have to crack an egg in it, mix it all together, put it in the microwave for the time that it says on here, and you have a really good breakfast. And after the egg, it's 200 calorie. Oh, it's blurry. After the egg, it's 200 calorie breakfast, and you actually feel full. After your coffee and everything, these are really good. And then I got cookies because we love a good cookie at night for dessert. I got these Lunchables. My kids don't like pizza Lunchables, but I like them. So if I'm running late for like pickup for the car line, I take this for my lunch. It's not healthy, but it fills me up and I like it. And then my kids really like this for lunch. Like if I'm being lazy, I just throw that in there for them and they're good to go. Like I told you guys, wow, I really didn't organize anything. My baby brother is coming, so I bought him some baby food. I picked him up some sweet potato, banana, and then a butternut squash. And then he needs some cereal for his milk. So excited to see him. This is my favorite broccoli. I've told you guys before how I make it, and I just was talking to my sister about this because broccoli is, guys, don't boil broccoli, okay? It's gonna be nasty, it's gonna be bland, it's gonna be mushy, all the bads. But if you guys buy this is a steam bag. It's $1 at Walmart, and I only buy the florets. You cannot buy the chunky piece because then it's so gross. Anyway, so I put this in the microwave for the 5 minutes. I think that, I put it for 5 minutes. Hopefully it's supposed to be 5 minutes, but whatever it says on the package, you put it in the microwave. Once it's out of the microwave, it's cooked, it's soft. You dump it into a pot with butter and garlic. It can be the minced garlic or the powdered garlic. And you stir it, let it, kind of get the flavors stuck to it. Oh, and then put a little bit of salt and pepper. So delicious. Or you can put it in the microwave so it can get soft. Put it in your air fryer for like 5, 6, 7 minutes. Do the same thing, put garlic, salt, pepper, put a little bit of spray butter or olive oil spray butter. Wait, what? Y'all know what I mean. The olive oil spray, cooking spray, whatever. Anyways, you do that in your air fryer and then it'll get crispy if you want it to be crispy. Guys, so delicious. I love it. That's how we do our broccoli. These are my favorite burritos. My kids eat these for breakfast sometimes, or they'll have it for an after school snack. I'll have it for lunch sometimes. It's not healthy, but I like it. These are my kids' favorite waffles. We have those for breakfast, for school days. My husband has been obsessed with Crunch. It's my favorite chocolate, so I got him stuck on them, and oh my gosh, he literally will eat this whole bag. But no, I'm gonna separate it for him. I'm gonna hide it. No, I'm not. because he'll find it. That's for him. And then I normally get a big one for myself, but they were sold out. So instead I got these. They're dark chocolate almonds to die for, guys. They're delish. You should try them. I like to keep this in stock, this roasted garlic spaghetti sauce. I made lasagna last week. It was so good. I really like this one. I want to try to make this spaghetti sauce by myself. So if you guys have a good recipe, leave it in the description box because I would love to try it. I've been totally into smoothies. Oh my gosh. So I put this in a smoothie and I have frozen banana and strawberries. I put oatmeal, chia seeds, and a little bit of milk. So good. My store, guys, does not have individual chips, which is what I put in my kids' lunch boxes. So I bought just big bags and I'll just separate them into baggies. But this is my husband's favorite, the garden salsa sun chips. This is my favorite. And then I got that for the boys, which they'll eat all of them. So anything that I put in their lunch, they'll eat. And I've also been obsessed with these crackers, guys. Okay, they are always sold out. My store is sold out of everything. You know, it's a real crisis around here. There's no food. But so I bought two because I seen that they were available. My kids love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. I eat this in the morning with either just like I mush up an avocado, eat it with that and my coffee. Good to go. Or I'll put mayonnaise on top of the cracker. Good to go. So yeah, I got two of them. I got some tortillas. My son makes egg tortillas. He just makes scrambled eggs with a tortilla and then some hot sauce and some cheese. He loves it. He'll eat that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you let him. I got a bunch of these ramens because my kids like to do this for after school. My husband likes to eat them if he gets home before I cook. He eats that. I bought these. My kids really enjoy them, but I thought that my baby brother can also have some of these in his little, you know, where you could put the fruit and they suck on it. It's like a pacifier, but I figured maybe he could try that. I don't know if my mom will let him, but we'll try. I've been loving bagels for breakfast. Bread for sandwiches. This is, so I'm supposed to be eating these because these are healthier than these, but my husband likes to eat these. And then if I'm just like, you know what, I don't care, I'm having what I want, I'll eat this. But if I want to be good that day, I'll have this. They're good. And then I got a giant watermelon that I will cut up and prepare for my kids to eat. And ideally, that won't last to the beach, but we'll probably get another one before we go to the beach. So yeah, that is. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.